Do you have test anxiety? Here are my favorite tips and tricks. Number 1 is creating a cheat sheet. What is a cheat sheet? A cheat sheet should be a script. You should work on a cheat sheet for days or weeks before your test. Rewrite it every single day, so it becomes a memorized script. Here are some of my past students' cheat sheets. These are all strong students. Notice how all the cheat sheets are kind of similar in how they are set up and what material they cover. This is for my beginner exposure and technique course. We cover law of reciprocity, ISL, DSL circuits, EMS, X-ray production, and X-ray interactions, unit conversions, grids, filters, a little bit of digital, and plus, minus charts. Formulas should all be written on your cheat sheet because you know you're going to see a math question. When you're taking your test, you're bound to have a lot of anxiety. It's easy to see an answer and think it's right when they figured out how to solve it the opposite way or the wrong way already. The wrong answers are known as distractors. Don't let the distractors distract you. If you have the formula written correctly in front of you before you take the test, you know that you'll solve it correctly. My second tip is to go with your gut. I can't tell you how many students tell me that they would have gotten a question right if they had not changed it. I even suggest covering the answers on your test with a piece of paper, post-it note, or even your hand. If it's a well-written question, you should be able to answer it without seeing the answers. Then go with that. Stop changing answers unless you're 1000% positive that you did make a mistake. My third tip is to take the full time. If you get 20 minutes, take 20 minutes. I give 20-question 20-minute test weekly to help my students practice test taking. The majority of them on average take about 12 minutes to take a test. That means you can easily spend a few minutes writing out a solid cheat sheet like these and still have plenty of time for your test. My final fourth tip is to do all the easy questions first, then circle back for the harder ones or questions that involve math and require a little bit more time to solve. This helps with confidence, but also you may see an answer within the test that helps you on a question that you are a little unsure of. Finally, if you are cutting it close on the time, you know that you're going to have at least the easy questions done. Practice. I was an average B student, and now I'm teaching, not because I'm smart, but because I am hardworking, and I have learned how to become a very good test taker.